How to make a schematic on Eagle. First of all, on the left hand side you have all the parts you need to help you make your schematic. By clicking on this tool, you can add your parts to the board. This brings up a large menu that has all the parts that Eagle has defaultly downloaded to your computer. If you search R-EU star, it'll bring up the European symbol for a resistor. There are many different options and sizes for the resistor. You just need to measure and find the one you're looking for. Most of the time I will use this one, 0204-7. You can place the parts by right clicking and then click escape or back onto the parts tool to bring up the menu again. You can rename using this tool and name it what you want. Normally you would want it in an order, so R1, R2, R3, R4. Then you can set the value of your part by clicking on the one next to the name tool, saying adding 100 R. And then you add a new part. So you need to add your V plus and your ground. So just grab V plus and right clicking will rotate and then left click will drop. Now if you go down here and click on this tool, this will connect your parts. Make sure you click on the edge of the part and not overlap so they actually connect. Then drag and click onto the part that you're trying to connect it to. You can also move and drag your parts. Once a wire is connected, however, it will drag with it. They are the main tools that I would use on a daily basis when I'm making a schematic. So the last thing you want to do before moving on to the board is you want to check your errors. These are all warnings that you made a mistake. It will highlight, when you click on a warning, it will highlight and click and show you where this mistake might be. Then you can click approve and finish it.